Here I have Thomson TO 13P, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button battery saver. So to use it you will firstly have to unplug the charger from your device. And now you can just switch this mode just like this. By holding down your finger on this button you can access some of its settings. For example, you can set up a schedule for it based on percentage, for example at 15% battery this mode will be enabled automatically, and you can also disable it when device is fully charged or at least 19% charged. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.